Your Honor, I'm here by special appearance and I don't waive any rights, and I demand ministerial dismissal of this case immediately. It's ministerial. You have no authority to hear anything regarding this case because it's not properly brought to this court. This is a criminal venue, and the allegations against me, Your Honor, driving on with a damaged taillight and failure to exhibit license on demand, these are allegations made by the state, which is under a duty. And the duty is the exhaustion of administrative remedies. It has a duty to bring the case into the administration of the department charged with traffic. And Your Honor, that is the Department of Safety and Homeland Security. Commissioner of Safety has authority over all matters pertaining to the use of the roads in commerce. He has authority to grant every driver license, and he did grant every driver license that's out there in Tennessee. And he's also charged with suspensions and matters leading to suspension and also revocation. So he has plenary authority over the privilege. Driving and operating a motor vehicle, Your Honor, is a privilege, and the privilege law requires that a licensee or a presumed licensee have the grievance against him heard by the party in charge of the license. That's the commissioner. Your Honor, you don't have that authority. You don't have authority to weigh anything or any allegation in this matter. But the deputy, doesn't matter what he says about probable cause, that's beside the issue. I am making an affirmative defense, Your Honor. You do not have authority. The case has to be dismissed ministerially. You have no choice, and I'm not. No, Your Honor. We're not going to be here. The deputy. I'm not here to do that. I'm not going to be participating in that. I demand, if you're not going to dismiss, Your Honor, I give you a choice. Demand to have the grand jury hear this allegation, and I'm going to waive the court. I'm waiving this court. So I suggest you do the right thing, and that's to just dismiss it ministerially. That's all you can do. You can't enter into any merits. And my defense is that the state has improperly and prematurely brought this case here. It is operating out of sequence. The statute with our Uniform Administrative Procedures Act, our sequence is that allegations of wrongdoing under a license, Your Honor, under a privilege, be heard in the department responsible. The overseer and regulator of that economic police power is the commissioner, and the state has a duty to hear the matter of this taillight there, and I have a right. I have a right, Your Honor, concomitantly to that duty. I have a right to be heard there, make my defense there, Your Honor. I demand dismissal. I demand it.